Are you worried about outliving your money? This is one of the major concerns of people that are retired today. One of the biggest fears is running out of money. Did you also know that the number one fear of people is public speaking? The second biggest fear, dying, right? So imagine you're more scared of giving the eulogy than you are of being in the box. Today, we're going to get into guaranteed income and what is an immediate fixed annuity, right? So an immediate fixed annuity is somewhere that you're going to put your money. It's an insurance contract with an insurance company. What they are going to do is they're going to say, okay, you give us a lump sum of money, and that lump sum of money that you're giving us, immediately we're going to start giving you a paycheck, right? Every single month, you're going to create a paycheck for the rest of your life. Tom Hegna actually talks about this in some of his retirement books, where he talks about paychecks and playchecks. And his idea there, the theory is, let's have money for our guaranteed, our fixed expenses, right? So that's our paycheck that we want every single month coming in. And then what are our playchecks? The money we actually get to spend and enjoy while we're in retirement. So the immediate fixed annuity, this insurance company is going to say, we'll take your money and now we're going to give you a guaranteed income for the rest of your life. This is money that you can't outlive. Why is that so important? Because in today's interest rate environments, with interest rates being so low, it's so difficult to create the proper yield that we need to live, right? Think about retirement planning as it was done in the past, right? Your financial advisor might say, hey, you're going to accumulate this pile of wealth and you're going to live off the interest that it creates. How often have you heard that, right? You're thinking, oh, I'll just live off the interest. This is great. I got $1 million. I can get, 10% interest every year. That's $100,000. I'm going to be good. I'm never going to lose the principal. I can leave that $1 million to my family, so I've created wealth for them, and I get to live off that, interest, that $100,000 every year. But in reality, what happens? Does the stock market return 10% every year? Do your real estate investments return 10% every year? Does the bank have a CD that you can put money in that returns 10% every year? The answer is no, right? At least I haven't seen it, not in my lifetime. Well, I shouldn't say that. When I was really young, the banks were paying that kind of interest. But since, the 70s to today, what's been happening? Interest rates have been going lower and lower and lower. And this has made it so much harder for people to plan for their retirement because you can't just stick it in the bank. This is forcing people to leave their investments in the stock market, right? You're thinking, oh, I'm going to, be in a safer investment when I retire. I'm going to be in bonds, right? Bond yields are at the lowest they've ever been. So how do we live off of 2 or 3% interest? Is that really enough to not, to sustain our lifestyle? Probably not. So with this low interest rate environment that we've been seeing, and it's been going over decades, it's forcing people to stay invested in the market. When you're invested in the market, what happens? It causes fluctuation. Look at just earlier this year, I'm filming this in 2020, and earlier this year, the market dipped pretty hard. A lot of people sold out of their investments because they were scared. A global pandemic was hitting our country and shutting everything down. So now we're filming this post that scare time, and what happened? The economy did come roaring back and people got all their gains back. What if you were the person that sold out, right? So the idea of having guaranteed income helps you make better decisions in retirement. That's what an immediate annuity can do for you, right? The idea is, let's figure out how much money an insurance company is willing to pay me. How much of my assets should I take over to give myself a protected, guaranteed value and get a check every single month in the mailbox. Or let's be honest, really it's direct deposit into your bank account. Who takes checks anymore?
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rob Gill in the Money Minute, and let me just do a quick check-in. When it comes to an immediate fixed annuity, guess what? You could take a lump sum of money, dump it into a fixed annuity, and make those payments, little sidebar, make those payments into a whole life policy, play that out for 10 years, then get income off your policy as well as having a death benefit. Back to Ed to take you a little bit deeper into immediate annuities.
At this point, hopefully you've gotten enough understanding of what an immediate annuity is and how it could really fit into your financial picture and how it could be important for you and your family. If you're looking to talk with somebody, right, that you just need more information, click on the link below. You can meet with the team. One of our team members will reach out to you and help walk you through, is an immediate annuity the right fit for you and your family? Or are there some better options out there for you? I hope you really liked this video, and if you did like this video, please like this video.